In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a child table in ERPNext. A child table in ERPNext is a reusable table that you can embed inside other doc types, like adding line items to an invoice or multiple contact numbers to a customer. Instead of creating separate doc types for every small repeated detail, you create a child table and then link it wherever you need. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the basic process of creating that child table from scratch. First, from your ERPNext home screen, go to the search bar at the top of the page. This is the quickest way to jump directly to any setting or configuration area, including doc type setup, without clicking through multiple menus. In the search bar, start typing new doc type. As you type, ERPNext will show you matching options in the drop-down list. You don't need to navigate manually to the doc type list. Using the search keeps things faster and more consistent, especially if you're working across different modules. Once you see new doc type in the search results, click on it. This opens the doc type creation form where you define the basic properties of your new table. Think of this as the blueprint for how your child table will behave inside other doc types. Now, in the doc type form, look for the field where you can enter the name. Type in a clear, descriptive name for your child table. For example, if this table will store multiple contact persons for a customer, you might call it Customer Contact Details. Use a name that makes sense to you and your team, because this label is how you'll find and reuse the child table later. Next, to actually make this doc type a child table, you need to mark it as one. Find the checkbox labeled Is Child Table, and click the box beside it. This tells ERPNext that this doc type isn't a standalone document, but is meant to be embedded inside other doc types as a table of rows. Finally, look for the option that says something like Cancel, Create, and Continue, and click on it. This confirms the creation of your child table definition and lets you move forward with configuring fields or using it in parent doc types later on. And that's it. You've now created a child table in ERPNext, ready to be linked into your custom or standard doc types wherever you need structured, repeatable rows of data.